Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English lesson for beginners. Today, we'll be diving into an exciting topic: climate and weather. Understanding these concepts will help you talk about different types of weather conditions and the long-term climate in various regions. So, let's get started. First, let's begin with the basics. Let's understand the difference between climate and weather. Climate. Climate is the long-term average of weather conditions in a region. It's the typical weather pattern that persists over many years. Let's learn how to describe different types of climate. I'll say a climate type, and you can repeat after me with the appropriate description. Tropical. In tropical regions, it's usually hot and humid with lush green vegetation. Arid. Arid regions are very dry, with little rainfall and sparse plant life. Temperate. Temperate latitudes of the globe lie between the tropics and the polar circles. The climate in the temperate zone, it does not have extremes. While the polar climate is extremely cold and the tropical climate is very hot, the temperate climate has some hot weather and some cold weather. Polar. Polar regions are extremely cold, with snow and ice covering the landscape. Excellent! Now that we've covered climate, let's move on to the concept of weather. Weather refers to short-term atmospheric conditions that can change quickly from day to day. It's what we experience in a specific location at a particular time. Now, let's learn how to describe the different types of weather. I'll say a type of weather, and you can repeat after me with the appropriate description. Sunny. It's a bright day with clear blue skies and warm sunlight. Cloudy. The sky is covered with clouds, and there's no direct sunlight. Partly cloudy. When clouds are conspicuously present but the sky is not completely covered. Rainy. It's raining, and you'll need an umbrella to stay dry. Windy. The wind is blowing strongly, and you might see trees swaying. Snowy. The ground is covered in snow, and it's quite cold outside. Fog. A weather condition in which very small drops of water come together to form a thick cloud close to the land or sea, making it difficult to see through. Sleeting. Rain that freezes or partly freezes as it falls from the sky. Rainbow. An arch of colors visible in the sky, caused by the refraction and dispersion of the sun's light by rain or other water droplets in the atmosphere. Thunder. Thunder is the loud noise that you hear from the sky after a flash of lightning. Lightning strike. Lightning is the very bright flashes of light in the sky that happen during thunderstorms. Drought. Unusual dry weather conditions affecting the hydrological balance. Hurricane. A violent wind that has a circular movement. Tornado. A violently rotating column of air touching the ground. Volcano. A mountain with a large, circular hole at the top through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. Earthquake. A sudden shaking of the Earth's surface that often causes a lot of damage. Landslide. The slope of a mass of rock, debris, earth, or soil. Flood. A rising and overflowing of water, especially onto normally dry land. Repeat after me. Sunny. Cloudy. Partly cloudy. Fog. Snowy. Sleeting. Rain. Rainbow. Thunder. Lightning strike. Drought. Hurricane. Tornado. Volcano. Earthquake. Landslide. Flood. Cold. Hot. Windy. Great job! You've successfully learned about weather and climate in English for beginners. Now you can confidently talk about various weather conditions and understand the climate types in different regions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at discussing climate and weather topics. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future lessons. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next lesson.